What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stand Up SA Square Photography, bring you back another video too.
Hey.
Ah! Guys, I'm back in freaking Louisville. That's how most people, we call it Louisville. If you're Kentucky native, you call it Louisville. How you say it?
Louisville.
Kentucky native, right? When you say Kentucky native left. Guess who I got back with me, guys?
Isabella Gonzalez.
She's back with us again, guys. She's going to help us out with this video, man. And guess what I'm shooting with, guys? Yes, I'm shooting with the Sigma 135 f1.4, guys. We're gonna go ahead and knock this out, man. We're just in this nice little location here. She got this nice dress on. This gives an old school type vibe. It's a really nice little area here, so we're just gonna really knock this out. I'm gonna take advantage of it. I'm actually gonna show you through the Ninja how this kind of operates, and we're just gonna kind of do it. I'm gonna shoot with the Flashpoint SE600 version. I got the 42-inch softbox on that, and we'll get us some nice soft light on that, and that's pretty much how the shoot's gonna go. Isabella, you wanna say anything else to the fine folks out here?
Thanks again for having me.
Okay, guys, thanks. You gotta, if you want to work with all stuff in the description box below, of course, would have popped on the screen. Bye. Now. You ready to get to work?
All right.
She's ready. She's ready, guys. So let's get to work, guys. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. All right, here we go. Yeah. Nice. I like that. I'm gonna get full bodies. Yeah, keep it. Hold that for a second. Yeah. Oh, hold that. No, look back down. Just like, yeah, hold that right there. Look down. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. That is freaking perfect, man. Nice. All right, go ahead and do you. Yeah, this is. Look back at me like that with your pop the hip, your left hip back, yeah, and look right at me, yeah. Bring your head down just a tad bit.
Love it.
Oh, ridiculously nice. All right, so let's keep on doing. Let's keep this up. I'm gonna try to get away from the boat balls. I'm gonna have you right here. Dead on. I'm just gonna rotate this a little bit now.
Well, at least everybody's nice to us in the boat.
I know, right?
We haven't gotten one honk. We're good.
All right, here we go.
All right.
Love that, yeah. 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 Oh, I'm getting closer now. I'm a little more full body. Now keep on the side. Just exactly. No, actually turn like you just was. About right there.
Like this way?
Yeah, put that back foot more that way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then turn your torso towards me a little bit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Perfect. Torso towards me. Yep. 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 There it is right there. Yeah. Okay, go ahead and do you. I got what I needed. Go ahead and... Yep. Yep. I like that. Let me get a full body, just like you playing with your hair. Just kind of bring it back.
Okay.
Yeah, just like I like that right there. Yeah, yeah. When you hold your hair, just hang on. Let me scoot back a little bit more. Nah, you don't scoot back, me. Right there. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. Yep. Look at me. Cross your ankles at the bottom for me. Cross your ankles. Yeah, then do that for me. Yeah, perfect. I ain't gonna wait for the car. I ain't gonna wait for the car. All right, yeah, yeah, yeah. Look, yeah. And look at me. Yeah, just like, whoo. Woo. There we go. Woo-hoo. All right, now.
Very nice.
So what I'm gonna do, so I just want that black background.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have you probably here, and then I'm gonna get you right here on the black house.
Okay. Am I like going with this diagonal?
Yeah, I want you to stay away from this white. So right here is perfect, actually. Right here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Hold that right there. I'm gonna switch my angle just a tad bit. Look at these guys. These are straight fire. Yeah. Hang on. I'm gonna rotate just a tad bit. Yeah, there we go. Stay right there. Oh, these are so nice. These are so freaking, God, these are so freaking nice.
Good.
They really are.
I'm fighting. I'm fighting.
All right, I'm gonna get this angle right here because this is a really good angle we could be done. Yeah, just like, yeah. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yep. So give me some different ones. Go ahead and power on through this last section. Yeah. Scoot over just a tad bit, a little bit, just look right there. Yeah. Go ahead. Do your thing real quick. Yes. Yep. Give me all the positionings here. Yeah, I like that. Go ahead and give me the back side now. Turn your back towards me and look towards that light.
Like here?
Nah, towards the light behind you.
Oh, okay.
So switch your sides. Yeah, pretty much. But rotate more that way. That way. Yeah. Right there. Then look back to me. Look at the light. Perfect. Yeah, hold it, because now I'm just doing some 3/4 shots now. Yeah. You're gonna uncross your ankles at the bottom a little bit. Yeah, go ahead and give me some, just rack them through. Just rack them on through for me. Yeah, here we go. Yes. Hold up, she wasn't playing when I say rack them through.
We can rack.
She was not playing when I asked her to rack them through. Go ahead and give me pro. Wow. Side, yeah. Go ahead, yep. Nice. And now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed the work that Isabella and I just put in for you. Now, Isabella, how'd you enjoy this whole entire situation?
I loved it. It was a great experience, and I'm glad to be able to have shot with you.
Oh, thank you very much, guys. And of course, guys, this was a ball, man. This 135 is absolutely a beast of a lens, man. If y'all made it this far, y'all know how much of a beast of a lens this is. I would definitely say recommend purchase this thing over the 105, but honestly, I wouldn't change this over the 105. I like the 105. This working distance for me is a little bit too far back. Again, guys, you know I like shooting on 150 a lot, and that's only like every once in a while. But I do like this lens, but I don't think I would necessarily pick it over the 105. Is basically what I'm saying. I do like the 105 because I like the working distance of the 105 a little bit better. But even with my 150, even when I work with my 150, that's like literally like I literally just like kind of do that here and there. Not the whole entire shoot of that nature, but just because of the working distance. But I do love this lens. So. So Isabella, do you have anything else you want to say with the fine folks out here today?
Thank you and thank you.
All right, guys. And of course, if you want to work with all stuff, it's going to be search box below. Go to what popped on the screen by freaking now. Because I don't know what the fuck is happening right now. It's like, it's traffic. Hang on, let me turn you around real quick. Look, I don't know what the fuck is going on here, guys, but look at this traffic. I don't know. I don't know. But anyway.
Hey, I guess they came right on time.
Okay, but if you want to work with Isabella, all stuff is going to be in the description box below. Because what popped on the screen by fucking now. To the next video.
To the next video.
To the next video, guys. Peace. You already know what that means.
Thank you.
Peace, peace, peace. Well. Come on. Oh man, I missed it. Oh man, missed that.
Oh,
Damn.
I'm so sorry.
Damn.